Community Ambassador. I am here at Siena in Nocatee, and this location is perfect. Right now, I'm actually headed over to the splash park. I'm going to take you along because we are so close. Hope you're ready for some fun today. This place is awesome. We are sitting here in the middle of the Nocatee Splash Park, just a few minutes from Siena. We have the splash park for the kids. We have a lazy river. There's a concession stand, a 2-story slide, and so much fun to be had with your neighbors and your friends, all very close to Siena and Nocatee. And we hope that you will come and join us and see all the things that there are to see here at Nocatee and Siena. You never even have to leave this place. It's amazing. There's concession stands. There's a bar.
Kelly!
Hey, Fisher!
How are you?
I'm good. I'll take the usual.
Alrighty, I got you.
Oh, he's got me. He knows my drink. This is amazing. I'm like on vacation all the time. Look at this. Awesome. Thank you, Fisher.
Yes,
cheers. Wow, that was so much fun. This place is such a great and awesome experience for family fun. And it's right down the street from where people live. Oh, until next time. I'll see you soon.